So in this video we are looking at a monthly CPR scan for month of June, right? So here we are only looking at weekly stocks which has weekly options, and we are also looking for stocks which are about 200 EMA, okay, sorry, SMA, okay, so 200 SMA. So we are getting this many stocks. First thing I want to look at is basically relative volume. So you can see this Dollar Tree, all these have good relative volume. In addition to that, I also want to see the TTM squeeze, right? So here everything is bullish. AMGN, right? It's a good stock, AMGN. Let's look at the stock chart. AMGN. So we are on a daily time frame. Monthly CPR. You can see that CPR is all up and up. You can see, okay, you can see the Keltner channel also showing us uptrending. So you want to take the trade when the stock basically opens up just above the CPR. Okay, so you need to get a candle which has upper wick, no lower wick. Okay, only then you can take the trade. Okay, so come at 3 o'clock. And if the candle has upper wick but no lower wick and it's above the CPR, you can take the trade to the upside. Okay. Okay. Next, let's look at next one. ANTM. So it looks like healthcare stock. A lot of healthcare stocks are here. Okay. And then looks like if you see here a lot of oil stocks. Okay. Healthcare, oil, and industries, core industries. Okay, so these are the stocks. So I typically look for all the TTM squeeze to line up. Okay, let's look at CTRA. These are okay. Endeavor Energy, PD, Marathon Oil, Oxypetrol, SU. Let's look at TMUS. Okay, TMUS charts. TMUS. Okay, so TMU also it says uptrending. As soon as this opens up, you can just take the trade. Instead of that, you can just take XLE. Okay, XLE, right? So this you can, instead of buying individual oil companies, you can just take XLE, which has all green up, all green here. Okay, by all buying. Okay, so you can just see uptrending here, uptrending here. So this is a better stock to buy. Okay, better index to buy. Right, stop buying individual oil companies. Next, look at XL. Let's look at healthcare. Okay, healthcare industry, healthcare ETF. Okay, so this also is basically not quite bullish. But then you better to go for individual stocks. Okay, so let's look at stocks which are all lined up. Okay, let's say ANTM. You can see all bullish here. You can see the CPR is up and up. So as soon as the CPR opens up, you can just take the trade. Okay. Okay. Thanks for watching the video. Please share, subscribe, and comment. Okay. So I'm also going to save this and share it as a watch list. June. Save. So if you've got that. Okay, so we also provide this CPR scanner for free. Please let us know if you need the scanner. Thank you.